Hey guys, welcome to Kayshow University, and I'm super excited to have you right here. To get started on the website is pretty simple. All you need to do is to follow these simple steps and you're going to be on your way to learning. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you are on the website, whatever page you have opened up, all right, there's one important page that you're going to come across, and that is choose your preferred platform. All right, so before you begin with any of the courses on our website, you have to choose the platform you prefer. We have the physical class, we have the Zoom class, we have the online class. The physical class is the normal classroom settings that we all know, meaning you come to the training center, sit down and you begin to learn as the instructor teaches you, about the lessons. The next one we have is the Zoom class. The Zoom class is for those who would like to attend the physical class, but because of, maybe distance or because of time or whatever the reason is, you are unable to attend the physical class and you still want to be part of that class. Then you can sign up for the Zoom class, meaning that all you need to do is to download the Zoom app on your laptop or your smartphone. Okay, and once you do this, you sign up on the website, you get the Zoom link that will give you access to the physical class going on, and with that you're able to join the class. And the interesting thing about the Zoom class is that it's like you're in the physical class, because you'll be able to ask questions. You can share your screen with the instructor. They can see what you have on your screen. So if you have any challenge, they can help you with it. And you can also see the instructor's screen in HD, and you can also hear the instructor clearly. All right. So this Zoom class allows you to connect with the physical class from anywhere in the world, and you'll still be able to learn practically. And then the final one is the online class. The difference between this online class and the Zoom class is that, number one, you don't need the Zoom app. Number two, you can start right now. Okay, so for the online class, you don't need to wait for the date for our physical class before you connect online. You can start immediately. Why? Because once you sign up and you make payment, you can begin to watch those courses online. All right, you can watch them on our website at any time you want. Okay, and you'll be learning at your own pace, meaning for the online class, you can pause the video, you can forward the video, you can rewind the video, you can even watch the video over and over again. So that's what makes the online class unique. So if you're someone who wants to learn at your own pace, you want to do maybe 30 minutes today, 1 hour tomorrow, 20 minutes the next day, and you just want to learn at your own pace, you want to be able to rewind, forward, and catch up with the class, then the online class is the perfect class for you. So if I have chosen the physical class, I can open this in a new tab. All right, once this loads up, you can see what we have right here. Now, I want to say that you should, read every single details on this page. All right, so yours might not be Adobe Masterclass. It could be digital marketing. It could be web design. It could be Forex training, whatever page or whatever training you're trying to sign up on, you're going to find here. But make sure you read every single detail on this page. All right. Because you want to pay for this training, guys. You want to have the full knowledge of what you're signing up for. So we've packed all the information you need for any of our classes on this page. All right. And just take your time to go through it. You can see what we have here. This is the video you're currently watching. All right. And you can see details about the training here. You can see the date for the training. You can see the time for the training. You can see the venue for the training, and you can see the fee for the training right here. So all the information you need is right here. Okay. You can see our student reviews here. So these are reviews of students that have attended our training, and this is what they have to say about our training. So if you're still having any doubt, you can read these reviews that have been posted on Google and see what students are saying about this training. All right, so right here we have the course outline. We have the course outline here. We have the countdown timer. We have, what our students are saying about us. So this is also reviews, but this time video. So if you want to see, the students, you could play any of these testimonials and listen to what the students have to say about this training. All right. These are the benefits of the training. You can go through them, who the training is for, the prerequisites, the requirements, and the software needed. Okay. And here is the registration page where you fill in your details to register for the training. Okay. You could also go further and see our design portfolio. You can see our video projects we've done in the past. You can see the frequently asked questions right here. You can see designs of our past students. So these designs were done by our previous students who have attended the class. You can see videos done by students who have attended the class. We have here, meet your facilitator. You want to know more about me, the gallery, why you should choose us for this training, and the registration details right here. So let me quickly register here. Let me just enter my details here. If my WhatsApp number is different from this number, then you want to enter your WhatsApp number here. So this is my own WhatsApp number. So I'm going to leave this blank. And then when I click on register, that will take me to the payment page. So when you fill in your details, you'll be redirected to the payment page. So you can see what we have right here. Okay, so you can see pay 50,000 naira now or pay 85,000 naira after payment deadline. So you want to make sure that you make your payment as soon as possible. In fact, right now, okay, so that you can beat the payment deadline, because after the payment deadline, you're paying this amount rather than this amount. That is very, very important for you to know. Okay, so what are the different payment options we have here? We have bank transfer. Okay, you can see the account name, number, and the bank here. You can pay with your card, or you can pay via bank deposits. Also, if you scroll down here, you can see save this contact. So you want to make sure that you save this phone number on your mobile phone so that you can receive updates from us directly on your mobile phone. All right. You also want to join the WhatsApp reminder group so you can get updates for the training. All right. You can also see we have more testimonials here for you to go through. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. You can follow us on Instagram, all right? And you can check out all of our other courses on the website, okay? So it's that simple, guys. So the process we've gone through now is for those who want to register for the physical class, all right? So let me go back. And this time for the Zoom class, if I had selected the Zoom class, this is what I'm going to get. So you can see for the Zoom class, it brings me here. So for the Zoom class, you can see the date for the Zoom class. You can see the time. You can see the venue. This time is live on Zoom in HD. All right. So you'll be able to see clearly what the instructor is teaching you, and you'll be able to hear the instructor clearly. And the Zoom link will be sent to you after making payment. So you can see the payment or the fees right here. This is the early bird fee, and you can see what you pay after the payment deadline, and you can register here. So once again, let me register here. Change this to Nigeria. Okay, and make sure that there's no zero here. So I'll click here and remove that, and I'll register. All right, so you can see here. Okay, so what are the different payment options here for the Zoom class? We have the debit or credit card for Naira. We have the debit or credit card for USD. So if you're outside of Nigeria and you want to make payment in dollars, you can use this. All right, and we have the debit or credit card for CDs. So this is for those in Ghana, all right, who would like to make payments with their card or with their mobile money. And we have bank transfers for only those in Nigeria. Okay, so it's as simple as that for those joining the Zoom class. And if you were thinking of the online class, I can open that up, and that will bring me to the online class page. Okay, so you can see right here, this time you can see that the date says you can start right now. So you don't have to wait for any particular date if you're going for the online class. The time is at your convenience. So there's no time for the online class. You can start and continue at any time that you want. Okay, we have the venue. The venue is on our website. So you come here to the website, you log in. All right, you can see the login button here after you've purchased the subscription, and then you can start watching the courses. You can see here that the fee is 20,000 naira or $50 per month. Okay, so this amount covers you for 1 month. Okay, and the interesting thing about the online class is that if you make this payment, you will get access to this particular course and to all other courses on the website. So this grants you free access to all the courses on our website, not just, if this was graphic design or this was digital marketing. You get access to all of our courses: graphics, video editing, web design, digital marketing, everything for a fee of 20,000 naira or $50 per month. So after the first month, you want to learn more, then you subscribe for another month. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So all I need to do when I get here is to click on the sign up button here, and when I click on sign up, so you can see I'm going for Adobe Masterclass here, and these are the courses I'm going to be learning. Okay, so I can choose any one, and that will take me to the course page. So you can see Adobe After Effects Masterclass. You can see what I'll be learning, the courses, the duration, and everything. Now, the important thing here to get started with this course is to buy, the plan. To buy the plan. All right. But here you can click here to check an introduction to what you'll be learning in this course by clicking on this video right here. You can see it will begin to play. All right, and you can watch that and see what it does. Okay, and once you're ready, you come here to click on buy now. All right, and once I do that, it's going to take me to the page where I can fill in my details and purchase the plan. Okay, so you can see price of 20,000 naira now and expires after 1 month. So if I come here, I can enter my details, the username I want to use. All right, and then I'll click on checkout with Rave, and that will take me to the payment page, and you can see what I have here. So once again, I'll enter my card details here. Okay, and once you're done entering your details, you can just click on pay 20,000 naira now. If you're not in Nigeria and you want to pay, don't worry, this amount here will automatically be converted to USD for you and debited in your card. So you just click on the pay now. It doesn't matter where you're paying from. Okay, so once you're done making payment, you'll be redirected to your membership account, and from here you can go back to the menu, go to courses, go back to online courses, and then from here you can select any of the courses you would like to begin with and enroll for that particular course. So let's go back to our Adobe After Effects, and this time once it brings us here, it won't be showing us the buy now. Now you can see it's showing us enroll now. So you want to click on enroll to enroll for the course. And once you're done enrolling for the course, you can now start the course. Okay, you can start the course. So I'll click on that. And then from here, you can start with the course. Okay, I can just press the play button. What's up, guys? So it is time for me to introduce myself. My name is Gabriel Showale, and I'm the CEO. All right, and once you're done with this course, you can go to the next lesson. All right, and that will take you to the next lesson. Hit the play button again. Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the exercise file. All right, and you can see all the lessons right here on the left hand. Let's just check lesson 10, and you can see what I have here. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video in this After Effects training. You can forward it. Particular video beginning, I will click on scale because I want to set keyframe for scale. All right, and I'll also click on rotation because in this case I want to break down the animation in that Spider-Man movie. Now in that, you can also go full screen so you can see very well. Okay. So you can see it's very interactive. Now I want to make this roll and rotate and put in some music and make it look as if. All right. And the good thing here is that if you have any questions, you can come here to ask your questions. So I can click here, and from here, I can enter the title of my question and say keyframes. All right. And ask your questions here. How do I set keyframes? All right. And then you say submit. And once you do that, your instructor would reply you with your questions, and you also find the reply here. All right, you find the reply here, right here under your question tab. Okay, and you can also add your own reply here again, and the conversation can go back and forth that way. And once you're done with your course, you'll be able to download your certificate, and you can use that, add that to your profile, and you're good to go. So whichever platform you go for, whether the physical class or the Zoom class or the online class, be sure that you're going to be getting value for your time and money. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys inside the class. Peace out.